Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Today we're out at Harrison's Rocks for another adventure. We're going to do some top rope climbing today. Really looking forward to that, absolutely epic. Also I'd like to thank everyone because recently we reached the 200 subscriber mark. It's a great big deal for me, to be honest. I never thought I'd get that far. Basically I was really making videos for myself, so great to have an audience. Great that you guys all like the video, so keep doing that. As a reward, we will do some epic scrambles in the next few weeks. We're traveling up to Scotland, Wales and England, do some epic scrambles, so stay tuned for that. They will be arriving to you shortly, so let's get going and see what this is all about. We arrived at Harrison's Rocks, ready for a full day of climbing. Harrison's Rocks is owned and maintained by the British Mountaineering Council, also known as the BMC. Harrison's Rocks offers a huge variety of climbing and bouldering routes to choose from. Full spirits, we arrived for the day ahead. Little did I know I was in for some really tough climbing. Let's go and have a look and see how I got on. Right, here goes. I've picked my most favourites of the day, starting off with Arrow Crack, which is a 3A.
Okay, get that foot down.
Oh yes.
Nice one.
The most difficult of today was on Birch Tree Wall, 4B. That's it.
Get the right on, get the right on. There we go. All the way. That's it, shows you can't.
You got it.
Into this tree.
Don't break the tree.
Yeah. Have you not?
Nice. You've got a left foot there, you can push yourself up.
That's it, yeah, push down with your hands. Mantle in, lean forward. There we go, nice.
That's it, you've done it. Nice.
Just the start on these ones.
Oh
The
yes!
start on all of these, just horrendous.
Never give up on La Sportiva.
And then a nice chimney climb on the easy cleft left, which is a free seat.
Nice. Good armbar there. Nice one, man.
Holy crap.
Nice, mate. Draw next to it, kind of step across the void.
Use the rope. Whew.
And then, much harder than it looked, easy cleft right, which is also a free seat.
Go.
Nice one. Keep that nice solid position, work the feet up. And a little bit higher with the foot. Even getting your right hand up there and get your one of your feet up. That's it, yeah. Push. Nice. Squeeze up in. There you go, you should be able to get the jump now. That's it, yeah, there we go. Right on. Nice, see. There you go. That's it, and reach for the next jug.
We finished our day on Small Chimney, which is also a free seat.
Oh, nice
Nice.
one, mate. Yeah, push, push, push. It's a bit higher up and further out. That's a bit of a foot ledge. Or even put your heel behind your bum.
Full stance.
Push, yeah, looks like you can.
Some big flip flops here.
Nice one, that's it. You take the spare boot. Go on, Keys. Nice one. There we go. Solid, nice.
Jesus, what?
It's not over yet.
Want to come and set it up as well as we're both?
Yeah, I was thinking I could direct you, but
Nice,
Yeah.
Keys.
Nice.
If I just skew it, do it, no? Both after you there.
Lovely.
Cool, so give them some slack now.
So yeah, this was our epic day climbing at Harrison's Rocks. Absolutely fantastic. Great fun flying the drone around as well. So yeah, I've got an offer for you guys. As this is with No Boundaries. No Boundaries is offering all my subscribers and viewers 10% off. See the link in the description box below. Offer expires 30th of June. So get booking. Trips all over Italy and in the UK, so get booking with that. Next adventure, yeah, we're going to be looking at 10 scrambles in Snowdonia, and then I got some epic content coming up. We're going off to Scotland, England and Wales to do some epic stuff with the drone as well. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Really looking forward to that. So yeah, for now, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. For now, thank you all for watching and I hope to catch you on our next adventure. See you later, guys.